Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Step by Step English. Can you describe your whole day in English, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night? If not, don't worry. In this video, we will learn the most useful daily routine phrases step by step. Let's start with morning routine.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have my breakfast. I get dressed. I go to work at 8 o'clock.
Now it's time to check out the afternoon routine.
I eat lunch at 2 o'clock. I take a nap. I play sport. I have a shower.
Now it's time for evening routine.
At 6 o'clock, I eat snacks. I read a book. I watch TV. I have dinner.
Let's continue with night routine.
I listen to soft music. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I sleep at 10:30.
Daily routines sound better when we add linking words. I will show you how. These are my morning routine without linking words. Now let's see them with linking words. First, I wake up in the morning, then I brush my teeth. After that, I take my breakfast. Finally, I go to work. For another example, let's compare between my afternoon routine without linking words and afternoon routine with them. Your turn. Write your daily routine in comments using linking words to make your sentences clear and easy to follow. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.